Hey everyone, so we're going to continue on our Traxxas BL2 unboxings. So if you haven't seen, we just unboxed the Rustler 4x4 BL2s, and now it's time to do the Slashes. So the Slashes are going to be available either in the green or the red. Our first delivery one, which is this one, is actually a green one, not a red one. So we'll unbox that one first. And we'll see what's going on. So let us begin. So we're gonna get our standard Traxxas TQ controller. This controller will not have the Traxxas Stability Management or TSM, and it will not be able to put the TQI Bluetooth module in the back setup. So that's one thing you're gonna get right off the bat. Next up in the box is going to be the Traxxas Quick Start Guide. You're gonna get all your other standard stuff, your white sheet with all the exploded views, your warranty card. You're gonna get some basic tools, 1.5 to 2.5 mil Allen keys, and a T-wrench with 7 mil to take your wheel nuts off. Battery block, essentially an extension out of foam, double-sided tape, and some shock pistons, preload clips. Nothing out of the ordinary from Traxxas there. The reason we all came here, the new Slash 4x4 BL2 in green. Okay, I really like the green. Not usually a green person, but that green kind of works with the gray and the gunmetal on the wheels. Very nice. Definitely not as much metallic though, in comparison to the Rustler 4x4s we just unboxed. But the one key feature that I want to mention, because the Rustler nothing really changed with body or the clipless mount, is going to be this. So you don't see any body posts poking through these anymore. So just like the Raptor R, this has the clipless body mount conversion. So there'll be 4 thumb tabs in each corner. You just gotta get your fingers in there and pop them out. No inner cage work though, just your front latch and your rear latch. But it looks like a standard Traxxas body, and I'm pretty sure it is. The only difference is you're gonna have some holes. So we took this one out quick just to unbox it and then opened and pulled the kind of front latching mechanism apart. Traxxas is drilling 4 holes in the front end for each, and I'd imagine the same in the rear, 3 in the rear. So something a little bit different. Traxxas is offering this clipless conversion for 2 and 4-wheel drive, so it's something you can buy. You get all the hardware, you get the clipless latches on the inside, and you also get your front and rear body mount. The only thing we do not know is how they're gonna offer it if you have a body that already is pre-drilled. I haven't seen if they're gonna do what they do in the TRX4 Sports, where you're gonna have a sticker that you stick on, and then it gives you an option to drill your holes, or what kind of template they're gonna have for that. So I'm interested to see once we get those clipless body mount kits in store. I'll link the 2 and the 4-wheel drive part number down in the description below, so you can get more info if you do wanna convert your original Slash 4x4 or 2-wheel drive Slash into a clipless body mount. Moving forward off the clipless body mount, we'll jump right into the electronics, because that is the big update. So Traxxas has discontinued all of their 4-wheel drive models that were XL5 and XL5 and 12 turn Titan. That's what I was going for. And they've updated now with this new BL2S system. This is going to be 2S capable. That's it. That's all. No 3S. You have to update to the VXL 3S to get 3S capability. This, instead of a 3500 kV motor, is now a 3300 kV motor. You're still gonna get all waterproof electronics in here, and you are gonna get something a little bit different when we start talking about brushless. So brushless is gonna have 3-phase power that way, but usually we're used to 3 individual bullets. Now they go with this really small gauge wire, which is 16 gauge, down to what looks to be a 2mm bullet. So a little bit smaller than what we're used to seeing, but a lot more convenient option. You don't have to worry about color coding, and you don't have to worry about plugging things in backwards and having your model go in reverse. So moving forward in the chassis, you're gonna get your standard waterproof receiver box there and a 2056 servo. Everything else on the chassis is going to be the same as your standard XL5 brushed Slash 4-wheel drive, but now it does change. Other than the clipless body mount design, which I was super pumped on, is Traxxas is giving us the ability right out of the box to have the EHD kit, so extra heavy duty. What that means for you is you're getting updated front and rear shock towers, On the new Slash, you're getting the new updated Rustler 4x4 arms. You aren't getting the standard 3655Xs anymore, the fiber-filled ones that were super tough until they took any side impact, and they were a little bit weaker when they got cold. So not great here for in Canada. New rear hub carriers, which actually captures the arm on both sides. Max size drive shafts, so big diameter drive shafts and 6mm outputs with steel hexes as well. And then in the front end, same thing, you're getting the standard cold leather plastics lower control arms off the Rustler 4x4, that blue shock tower, new steering knuckle and caster block in there as well. So a lot of cool upgrades with all of the suspension components, same Ultra Shock, so nothing changes. But I think with that, the clipless body mount design and the EHD, I mean, it's a sweet update. Like, how nice is it to do that and latch a body? Like, I'm sold on that. That is something they needed to do for a while on the four-wheel drive Slashes. So kind of nice to see it. Hopefully the VXL 3Ss get that as well. So now, let's unbox the red one and see which one we like better. The green one's pretty nice. I'm pretty sold on that green. So everything else we just talked about electronics-wise is going to be exactly the same. So radio, all of that good stuff. And here's the red one. So I'm kind of getting like Spider-Man or like Iron Man themes on this. Very red, blue, and black. So I don't know. I think, looking at both of them, I don't know, I think I like the green one better. For like overall pop factor, how bright it is, the green definitely has a little bit more shine to it. So down below in the comments, throw down what color you like the best, green or red. That's gonna be the question today. I'm going with green. I think Chris has gone with green, and I think everyone else was talking green. So interested to see what everyone else's comments, green or red. But moving forward, Traxxas now gives us all these cool things with the clipless body mount design and the new extra heavy duty kit. Both trucks are gonna come with that blue extra heavy duty kit, so I thought I'd just mention it. Green or red, you do get blue on both, just like the Rustlers. But one thing you do not get now is you do not get a battery and a charger. On the XL5 four-wheel drive models, you got a 3000 mAh NIM and a DC charger. Now Traxxas is not giving you anything. So please be aware that if you do want one of these models, either you can go with the Traxxas NIM battery. So in this case, you can do a hump pack or a stick back 8.4 volts, 3000 or 5000 NIM, or one of the 2S completer packs. Traxxas now does offer a 3000 mAh 2S completer pack with a USB charger, or you can go with one of their other standard completer packs with the 5800 or 7600s with the ID or ID dual chargers. And that's how you have to outfit one of these Slash 4x4s in the BL2s. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Like I said, down below in the comments, throw down what color you would go with, red or green. Don't forget to hit the like button and the bell to sub. And if you have any more questions about these trucks, throw them down below. So thank you so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.